Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can display drawing guides to assist you in making basic changes to the image document. To toggle the display of a ruler along the top and left sides of the document window on or off, just select View, Rulers from the menu bar. You can use the rulers to make measurements. To change the origin point or 0 point and where it is located on the rulers, click and drag from the upper left corner of the ruler down and to the right. Wherever you release the mouse pointer is where the origin point of the rulers will then be located. To reset the origin point back to its original location, double-click the upper left corner of the ruler. Another tool to assist you in placing objects and drawing objects is the grid. This can assist you in laying out professional-looking documents, placing objects, and finding measurements of objects. You can view the grid by selecting View, Grid from the menu bar. This is also the same command that you can use to turn this feature off.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.